Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can remove fake McAfee virus pop-up notifications on your device, particularly those notifications which are appearing in your Google Chrome. So these fake pop-ups have been common for a long time. They often appear when you visit a website claiming a virus has been detected or that McAfee has found something. You'll know these are fake because they often appear even if you don't have the McAfee installed. So closing the tab or browser might stop them if they're limited to that page. However, if you've allowed notifications and are still seeing pop-ups across your entire computer, you can try removing them. So go ahead and open your Google Chrome web browser. Click on the three dots in the top right and then select Settings. Navigate to the Privacy and Security section from the left-hand side of the screen and go to Site Settings. Under Permission, you'll get the option of Notifications. Go ahead and select it. Then after scroll down and go to the section of Allowed to Send Notifications. You'll see a list of websites. Identify any unfamiliar or suspicious website. For each suspicious website, click on the three dot next to it, and here select Remove. Repeat this for all the unrecognized sites. And alternatively, you can also choose to prevent all sites from sending notifications by selecting the option Don't allow sites to send notifications. Hopefully, this guide helps you remove the pop-ups. If you're still experiencing issues, consider installing and running a full antivirus scan on your computer, as the problem might not be related to a browser notification. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.